Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in CREO software. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Select front plane, sketch, create two circles. Create center line also. Give the dimension 60, 40. Select line. Create line like this. Give the vertical constraint for this line. Now give the dimensions. Height is 45 mm, this height is 15 mm. This height is 15. Overall length is 40 mm. Delete segment. Delete the unwanted lines. Finish sketch. Extrude. Here select symmetric. Length we required 50 mm. Next you can see both sides there is a flanges, that is 80 mm distance. For that take one plane, offset give 40 mm. Select the plane, sketch, select reference lines, center line, select line, give the dimensions. Height is 70 mm, this width is 40 mm. This cutout is 20, height 7 mm. Here to here give 10 mm. Next there is a one hole, diameter 20, height from the base 45 mm. So finish sketch, select extrude, reverse direction, here select up to next surface. Select this extrude, mirror about center plane. Okay. Next you can see there is a two holes on the top, that is diameter 5 mm. Select hole, diameter give 5 mm, depth we can give 15 mm. select the surface, give the dimension, from the side 30 mm pitch, 5 mm, this is 10 mm. This is 10, this is 5. So we can do the mirror these holes. Mirror about center plane. That's it friends, we can compare with the drawings. I hope all the features are completed. If anything is missing, please leave the comment below. Assign the material, select view, appearances. You can see there are all the materials here. Which material you want, you can assign here. I will go with PTC aluminum. Select entire body. Okay. Edit model appearances, color. So we can change the color like this. So that's the today's session friends. I hope you enjoyed this session, and also I am requesting everyone, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session friends.